PrizePick is a daily fantasy sport platform where you pick players, strat over-unders, rather than building full fantasy teams. You can combine multiple picks into one entry to increase your payout. So what are the beginner tips? First off, understand the scoring system. Every sport has its own PrizePick scoring. Learn how the stats are calculated, and also try to visit the scoring chart for each sport in PrizePick rules section before making picks. Second, start small and use flex pay. Flex pays give you a payout even if one pick misses, unlike power plays where all must hit. Start with 2 pick or 3 pick fast entries to reduce risk while learning. Example, 3 pick flex, 2 correct, that means it's a 1.25 multiplier, or if it's 3 correct, that means it's a 2.25 multiplier. Now, stick to 1 or 2 sports you know well. Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus on the sports and players you follow closely. You'll make better decisions. Try to use stats and projections as well, not just gut feeling. Research before picking, right? Research the player's recent performance, research the opponent's strength, research injuries, research the game pace. Use like Fantasy Pros, RotoWire, or Numberfire for projections. Try tracking the line movement as well. PrizePick has blind moves as people make entries, right? If you see a problem increase or decrease quickly, it might mean something significant. Jump early if you find value. Next, watch for promotion and insurance offer. PrizePick often offer promos like Taco Tuesday where lines are discounted, and these offers can be great value, and it's built entries around them. Next, don't overload picks from one game. Game flow can be unpredictable. If one game is a blowout or a slower pace, it might ruin your entire crowd. But after that, review your picks after game. Win or lose, reflect your reasoning. Keep a log of your entries and outcome to improve over time. You can also have a couple of safe sports to start with, like NBA props, NFL QB props, and MLP strikeout/over, and it's because all of these are fairly stable and data-driven.